Circulatory system. There are two main types of circulatory system: open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Open circulatory system, blood pumped by the tubular heart leaves the open-ended vessels to a series of blood spaces surrounding the tissues. When the heart relaxes, the blood flows back into the vessels through pores called ostia. This type is found in most arthropods, jointed leg animals such as insects, spiders, and crabs. Closed circulatory system, blood is pumped by the heart into the blood vessels, which carry the blood to the tissues of the entire body. Then, the blood from the tissues is carried back to the heart by the blood vessels. The main advantages of a closed system are the pressure can be increased to make the blood flow more quickly, and the flow can be directed more precisely to the organs that need most oxygen and nutrients. There are two types of closed circulatory system: single circulatory system and double circulatory system. Single circulatory system, it is found in fish. The heart pumps deoxygenated blood to the gills. The organs of gas exchange where the blood takes in oxygen, becomes oxygenated, and gives up carbon dioxide at the same time. The blood then travels on around the rest of the body of the fish, giving up oxygen to the body cells before returning to the heart. In this type, blood passes once through the heart. Double circulatory system. Birds and mammals have evolved the most complex type of transport system, known as a double circulatory system, because it involves two separate circulations. The systemic circulation carries oxygenated blood, oxygen-rich blood, from the heart to the cells of the body where the oxygen is used. It also carries the deoxygenated blood, blood that has given up its oxygen to the body cells, back to the heart. The pulmonary circulation carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs to be oxygenated, and then carries the oxygenated blood back to the heart. Thus, blood passes twice through the heart. Birds and mammals need much more oxygen than fish. Not only do they have to move around without the support of water, but they also maintain a constant body temperature that may be higher or lower than their surroundings. This takes a lot of resources, so their cells need plenty of oxygen and glucose and make waste products that need to be removed quickly. The advantages of double circulation are: 1. The separate circuits of a double circulatory system ensure that the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood cannot mix, so the tissues receive as much oxygen as possible. 2. The fully oxygenated blood can be delivered quickly to the body tissues at high pressure. 3. The blood going through the tiny blood vessels in the lungs is at relatively low pressure, so it does not damage the vessels and allows gas exchange to take place. 4. When the oxygenated blood returns to the heart, it can be pumped hard and sent around the body at high pressure. This means it reaches all the tiny capillaries between the body cells quickly, supplying oxygen for an active way of life.